Hey, it's Lindsay, and this is your no equipment extreme cardio workout. Let's do it. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So let's start by circling our arms forward and doing some march skips. Good, and circle those arms backwards. We're gonna be doing a lot of cardio today. 15 minutes of intense cardio, starting right in 40 seconds. Good, let's do some double skips right here, using those legs and getting them working. The way this workout is gonna work is we have 45 seconds of each exercise, and then 15 seconds of true rest afterwards. So none of that fake rest that I've been giving you guys lately. Real rest. But it's gonna go by really fast. So our first exercise is side lunge touchdowns, starting in 10 seconds. Good. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, big side lunge position. We're touching down and up. Good. Getting those legs moving for the day. Good. So touch down near your foot and out to the side. Good, going in to that squat and touching down and up. Good, we're 25 seconds in, 20 seconds to go. And 10 seconds. Getting ready for that 15 seconds of rest. In 3, 2, and 1. Good. Next exercise, down dog, alternating kicks. So we're gonna be in a down dog position, and we're gonna be kicking up each leg one at a time. Starting in 2, 1, here we go. Up to the sky and kick. Good. And let's see how fast we can move those legs. Trying to keep them straight and bringing them all the way up to the sky. Opening up those hips, feeling that stretch, using those glutes and pushing through. And quick. Let's go a little bit faster. 20 seconds left. Good. Keep it moving. We have 10 seconds. And up. Good, and pushing up. 20 seconds, whoops, not 20. We have 3 seconds, 2, 1, good. And coming back down, next exercise, burpees. Starting in 10 seconds. So we're going down, touching our chest on the ground, doing a mini jump at the top in 3, 2, 1. Down to the ground, do that push up, bring those feet in, and hop. Good, here we go. Down to the ground, push up, bring those feet in, and hop. Good. And let's see if we can do it a little bit faster. If you need to make this a little bit easier, you can go here, knee push up, bring those feet in, and up. Good. 15 seconds, almost there. And up. Let's see if we can do one more. Good, and rest. Next exercise, mountain climbers. So in that high push-up position, we're gonna be doing small mountain climbers this time. So nice, teeny tiny little feet. 2, 1, good. And little tiny mountain climbers. Next round, let's do big ones. Trying to keep that butt down so we're not in a big high mountain. You want to be nice and low so you're working your abs too. Good, keep it moving. Use those feet, make them fast. And keep pumping, you are climbing that mountain. 15 seconds. And go, 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 keep going. Nice, 5 seconds. In 2, 1, good. Next exercise is prisoner squat, elbow to knee. So arms up behind our head, and then we're gonna squat down, and we're gonna bring that elbow to our knee. In 3, 2, 1, and go. So squat and touch. And touch, good. If you can speed this up, definitely do that because you will get even more out of it. But still making sure that you're squatting as far down as you can, safely and effectively. So still keeping those feet flat on the ground and that chest upright. 15 seconds. And really crunch over to the side, trying to touch that elbow to that knee. Good, in 2, 1, and rest. Next, standing straight leg kicks. So we're gonna be here, and we're gonna be lifting up one leg, and then doing the other. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Hands on our hips. First leg, second leg. Good. Trying to lift it up as high as you can, but while still keeping your knees straight. Good, and open up that chest. Don't let it pull you over. It'll help you get bigger breaths so you don't get winded so fast. Good, and 3, we have 15 seconds. Good, keep those legs moving, lifting from the quads and the hip flexors. In 5 seconds. Last exercise of this round, then we have one more round to go. Good, and rest. Next exercise is big scissors. So we're gonna be on the ground, here and here. Moving our legs back and forth. In 2, 1, and go. Big scissor, big scissor. Give it a little pull back. Feel that stretch. Good, trying to keep those legs straight. And if you can go a little bit faster and still stay in rhythm, definitely do that. Good, keep it up, making sure that your lower back stays on the ground. Don't let your legs pull you over, keeping that chest off the ground. Good, and we have 5 seconds. 2, 1, very nice. 15 seconds of rest, and then we're starting back from the top for our second and final round. Here we go, lunge touchdowns, starting in 5 seconds, wide legs, starting in that T. Here we go, and touch and up. Good, bending over to touch the ground, while still maintaining that your knee stays over top of that second toe. Good, and reach down and up. Try to move a little bit faster because we are more than halfway done. So we don't need to pace it any longer. We can go a lot faster now. 15 seconds. And 10 seconds. Good, keep it up, 5 seconds, almost there. And 1, and rest. Down dog, alternating kicks. So down on the floor in our down dog position. And here we go, 5 seconds in our little mountain. And go. Kick up to the sky and switch. Different leg each time. Good, kicking up high, trying to keep that leg straight, trying to keep those shoulders open. So not coming into this position, staying right here, pushing those shoulders back to those feet. Good, and kick, and kick. Good, if you can move a little bit faster, definitely do that. 15 seconds. Good, and kick, and up, and kick, and kick. 5 seconds. and 2, 1, good, and rest. Next exercise are those burpees. So we're gonna be touching our chest to the ground and pushing up to the sky at the top. 5 seconds. And here we go, 2, 1, down to the ground. Do that push up, feet in and hop. Good, and hop. Do that push up, feet in, hop up. Good, and remember, if you need to, if you're getting tired, do those knees down, touch that chest, work them back in, and hop. We have 10 seconds left. Can we fit one more in? Yes, we can. And push up, and hop, and rest. Good. Next exercise, big mountain climbers this time. So down on the ground, getting ready to bring that foot right next to that hand and do 2 pumps and back in. Good, and here we go. Big mountain climber and switch. Good, 1, 2, push through. 1, 2, push and switch. And when you're doing this, you wanna push the shoulders open. So we're pushing to an open shoulder position and we're not staying down because that makes it harder to switch legs. Good. 15 seconds. Keep those legs moving. Feel that stretch. Good. And 5 seconds. Almost there. Last one. Good. And rest. Next exercise, prisoner squat, elbow to knee. So getting ready to keep our feet flat on the ground, not in our toes, not in our heels, but nice and flat. Arms up and go. Squat, twist and touch. Squat, twist and touch, good. And if you can go a little bit faster, definitely do that. And it is actually a little bit hard to touch. So if you need to, you can always just keep your elbow high, keep that knee a little bit lower, and you are still almost there. 15 seconds. Good. We have 5 seconds. Last one. And twist and rest. Good. 2 exercises left. Standing leg kicks. Alternating sides. Getting ready to go. Shake it out if you need to. And 2, 1, and kick. Good. Trying to keep those legs nice and straight, using those quads to squeeze, and keeping that chest upright. So not letting it bend down, you are just using your leg to lift up. Good. And can you do it a little bit faster? Probably challenge yourself. Let's see. We have 15 seconds. Making sure we're not going back and forth, trying to keep our chest nice and upright. In 5 seconds. In 2, 1, and rest. Good. Last exercise, big scissors. So, getting down on the ground, making sure our back stays flat. Here we go. First leg up, second leg, here we go. And start. Big movements, stretching those legs, working those abs, getting a lot of big movement for cardio here. Good. If you can, move a little bit faster. Good. Extra core work, extra cardio. And 15 seconds. Let's see if we can speed up even a little bit more. Good, engaging that core in 3, 2, 1, and rest. Very nice job today. We are all done. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button so we can work out together every day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me today. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you want to get even fitter, check out this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.